so I will probably split this video up into two things. We're gonna finish up the axle reinstall, and then I gotta show you something special that I got for the follow-up video of another one. So my buddy over at CV Source, I'm gonna link all his information there, took my axles and rebuilt them. Got brand new boots. They cleaned everything, took them apart, painted them. So we've got the original factory American-made axles, no Chinese parts here, and that looks good. For the hub video that will be out, he also had me some factory. These are actually American-made. I don't know if you can see that. USA, baby. All right, so he had some old stock of hubs. They were the exact hubs that I needed. These are not Chinese ones. I don't even remember the brand, but these are actually, I think we looked them up, they're made in Cleveland, Ohio. So that's good. But anyway, that's what we're going to be installing today, and hopefully getting the truck back on the road. All right, so what I did, which you can do this also, I decided to move the shock instead of the sway bar link. It's just easier to do. Your choice. Just be very gentle and wiggle this through. Now the joint's going to be a little tight because it's rebuilt, but see, it's no problem whatsoever. There we go. Now I'm going to take my bolts and we'll put them in one by one. All right, I'm going to show you all a trick, little trick to get the shock back in, because if you just let it go, it's gonna extend itself. So just take a pry bar and press down on it. And there we go. You'll just press on it and then slide it into the slot there. The bolt goes back through this way. All right, so the next step is I just cleaned the rotor with some brake clean. Okay, just like that. And then I'm gonna take the caliper, set that on here. All right, so I want to just do a quick recap. I torqued the axle nut to, I think it was about 162 foot-pounds. I couldn't, if anybody knows the actual torque to this, please let me know, because I got all kinds of different information. But anyway, those are nice and tight. Obviously the brake caliper and mounting and all that is good. So yeah, I'm going to tell you guys one piece of advice that will help you more than anything is do not if you want to take the sway bar link loose, you can, but it's so much easier just to move the shock, the lower mount, so just do that. But anyway, yeah, so everything should be good now. New hubs, new American-made hubs. I don't know what brand they are, but they were made in Cleveland, Ohio. So thanks, Ohio. But anyway, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go take it for a test drive, and I will see you guys on the next video.